All right, y'all. Welcome back to Cooking for Dummies. It's been a long time. A lot has happened. We are currently in a new kitchen, a new space in downtown Sacramento. We probably shouldn't say that, should we? We're in an undisclosed location in Sacramento, and new kitchen, new spot, new things, new ideas. We already went to the store today to 2 different U.S. food stores to try to get pork belly. We're at the second U.S. food store in South Sacramento. What do? Do we do a pork butt? We might just have to do like a pork butt instead. Instead, we got pork butts. So yeah, we're switching everything up. We had a whole idea to do pork belly in the sous vide with crisping skin and with like a soy sauce glazed. It's gonna be beautiful. So we're flipping it completely on its head. I'm just gonna go ahead and take it out of the bag, break it down, drain all the blood out of the bags and everything. I don't even know if this is just 1 piece of meat or if this is like 5 pork butts. All right, I got 2 pork butts. Yeah, looking pretty good to me. I really have no clue. We're gonna pat these dry completely. I'm gonna score them diagonal fashions, and then we're gonna go ahead and make a rub real quick, put it all together, vacuum seal it, and throw it in that sous vide, and we're gonna be rolling for 24 hours. We're gonna score it, we're gonna seal it up, create a little season it, seal it, and sous vide it. The 3 S's of excellence. Get a sharp knife. I have no idea what I'm doing whatsoever. I feel like I gotta just put that out there because now we're gonna make a rub. We're really just winging this one. And I don't even know if I'm really gonna measure stuff. Salt, probably about that much salt. Ground mustard, paprika, smoked paprika, cumin. I hate cumin personally. I'm not your savior. A little bit of chili powder, okay? Cayenne pepper, garlic powder, black pepper. We're going to be here for a while. Brown sugar. I'm gonna go ahead and shake this up a little bit. I'm gonna add a little bit of coffee to it. What could go wrong? After changing this about 4 times, I think we're gonna be good to go. First thing, we're gonna do a binder. We're gonna rub this in all those crevices. Yeah, I'm just gonna start throwing this shit on here, you know? We wanna get in every crevice and all of these little scoring marks that we made. We wanna be getting rubbed everywhere. Pull back the flaps of that meat and really just show our tender love and care, you know? Amen, brothers? It's always fun. It never makes a lot of noise or anything. I think it should be good. This is ready to roll. Double sealed, both sides. Ready to go in the sous vide. All we gotta wait is for this to get up to 165 degrees. We've got our 9-pound pork butt right here. It's just gonna sit in here for 18 to 24 hours, and then we'll be back tomorrow. Welcome back. What time is it? It's 10:39. 15 hours and 26 minutes. We said 18 hours originally. We lied. We double bagged it. We got our meat right here. It's been in our sitting juices, just juicing up and getting all juicy. All right, y'all. I went ahead, threw a little bit of brown sugar in there. Throw a little bit more of this sauce in here. We want this to be nice and saucy, a little wet. Threw some brown sugar in here. Throw a little bit of crushed red chili flakes in here. Mashed it all up with our hands. There's still a couple big chunks every once in a while that you can see, but the meat is so tender that I don't think it should be too big of a problem, honestly. All right, Matt. Put on some happy, like, ad-free music. And I thought I was gonna have to go to Topgolf, Target, pre-shredded cheese. I would almost never recommend getting pre-shredded cheese. They put anti-caking agents on these pre-shredded cheeses so that they won't clump together. That's why I recommend against using them. But that's what we got today. So we're gonna get a cast iron skillet. Because we want these things to be crispy. We're gonna get our tortillas. Authentic Mexican. I just ripped the fucking thing off. We're gonna get some tortillas. Mission, straight from Mexico. We're gonna put them on there and just start getting them warm, you know? Oh, there's water. Ooh. This is the life. Tortillas are getting nice and warm. Cheese on tortilla, right? This part's pretty, I think most of you guys probably know how to make this. Lower the heat a little bit, this side's getting nice and crispy, which is exactly what I want. We're gonna go ahead now, take some more pulled pork. We're just gonna throw it right in the middle, right on. Not too much, we're just gonna take it off. I think we're ready. I think this is it. I think we're at the final freaking frontier. Nice and crunchy top of the quesadilla. Make sure to have like a really cluttered workspace. That's what they teach in most kitchens. Don't clean as you go. That is it. A pulled pork
Well,
quesadilla.
yes, sir.
We didn't even shred our own cheese. We got Target cheese. We got Daisy sour creams. Since we're just playing up how white trash this is. Quesadilla, pulled pork inside. We've got the bits of fat poking out. Nice lean meat though too in there. A little bit of good old American Daisy sour cream. This is what dreams are made of. Maybe nightmares for cardiac arrest doctors or like cardiologists. This is how you make a pulled pork quesadilla in the soup.
Busting.
Oh.
It's spicy though, shit.
Yep.
Yeah. But very good.